Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll help you get the best from the One Phone Alert Client. With the Alert Client, you have inbound call alerts and management, can use the directory to make outbound calls, add contacts to a local directory, change your status, send texts, and other functions. The first thing you'll need to do is download and install the Alert Client. Log in at bt.com/BT One Phone Portal and click on Call Settings. Choose Download from the main menu, click on Install Now under the Alert Client icon and follow the instructions that appear. A purple phone icon on your desktop shows the Alert Client is installed. Double click on the icon to open the login window. Then log in with the same username and password you used to access the BT One Phone portal. You'll only need to do this once. You'll see the purple Alert Client icon in the tool tray in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you can't see it, look in the hidden icons. You can use the Alert Client to decline and forward incoming calls, hold and transfer calls, toggle between calls, or start a conference. You can choose which calls you would like to get an audible alert for from your PC. When you receive a call, a notification will appear on your computer screen. From here, you can choose to decline the call, forward it to a colleague or an external number, or send it to your voicemail if enabled. To forward the call, click forward and type in a number or search for a contact in the directory using any part of a name or number. To accept the call, you must answer it on your device or a headset paired with your device. When you answer it, the Alert Client window will show a different set of call handling options to click on. Decline to end the call, hold to put the caller on hold. They'll hear music until you retrieve the call. The button will change to retrieve, which you press to go back to the call. Transfer to blind transfer the call to another person, internal or external. You can either enter the number or search the corporate directory and click on the name, then select to transfer the call. Or you can click one of these options to send it to one of your other devices. Consultation if you want to speak to the person you're transferring the call to first. Enter the number or search for the person in the same way, but this time, instead of immediately transferring the call is put on a hold while you dial the number of the person you're transferring the call to. You'll see a consultation call window while waiting for the second party to answer. If you change your mind before you're connected and want to return to the caller, just click Decline. Once the second party answers, you will get additional options. Toggle lets you switch between the two calls, and Conference lets you set up a three-way conference. Otherwise, simply hanging up on your device will transfer the call. Call waiting. If you have the call waiting feature, then the Alert Client will let you know you have another incoming call while you're on the phone. If you don't have it, then see if your administrator can enable it for you. To accept the new call, you need to answer it on your phone. To decline the call, just click Decline on your Alert Client window. The call will then be dealt with according to your settings. So if your settings say that unanswered calls go to voicemail, then that's where they'll go. If you end the first call, then the second call will connect automatically. Making calls. On the Phone Book tab, you can search the corporate directory using names or numbers. When you press the phone icon, it will call your device, and when you answer, it will start the outbound call. Which of your devices that it uses is set in the routing template by your company administrator. Click here to send a text message to this contact. Alternatively, you can use the dial pad to enter a number and then press the call button. Adding contacts. You can add contacts to your local directory so that any future calls from that contact will display their name and number. Also, you will be able to search for the contact in the local directory to make calls. To add a contact, select the phone book tab, then the Add Contact icon. Add the details and save the contact to the local directory. These contacts are local only and will not appear in the corporate directory. You can bulk import contacts into the local phone book, and you can also export out any locally saved contacts. More detail on how to do this is covered in the Alert Client user guide. Speed dial. By right-clicking on any contact, it can be made a speed dial on the Alert Client tab. Status update. You can update your present status so your colleagues know if you're available, and it controls how your calls are handled. Choose a status from the menu, for example holiday. A new window will appear where you can enter your date and time and click OK to save. Your status is now changed and you'll be displayed as on holiday in the corporate directory. Other features. Right-clicking on the Alert Client icon will open up a range of other options. If your computer is used by multiple people, select Change User to log into your personal account. Your username and password are the same as you use to log into the OnePhone portal or app. To send a text, search a name or enter a number, then add your message and click Send. Open VPBX gives you direct access to the call settings portal. If you want more information about how to get the best from the BT OnePhone Alert Client and answers to other common questions, visit bt.com/BT OnePhone Help.